Hello, my name is Ben Jackson, Chief Revenue Officer at Pronto Home Repair. I wanted to share a website with you that will invite you to do some updates to your mailboxes. I met with John Mann, president of your HOA, and had the opportunity to actually walk around, drive around the neighborhood, and take a look at some of your mailboxes that John asked me to do. And we would love to help you out with this project. So we started January 2015, had done over 36,000 individual projects for clients, and we focus on small to medium-sized home repair. This is the type of project that we do, but we do a lot of different indoor and outdoor projects, ranging from rot on your soffit and fascia on the exterior to retiling and doing new tile in a bathroom, and a lot of different projects in between. So we know how difficult it is for a homeowner to get general contractors to do small to medium-sized projects. So that's the space that we focus on and have had a lot of success in the space. So we'd love to help you out with this project. Just to run you through the options here. The first one that you'll see is an option literally just to update the front door of your mailbox. So basically your mailbox door will remove the old door. Some of them don't stay closed. You know, as you'll see in this middle picture, by the way, if that's you, we would love to help you out. Looks like an update is definitely needed. Some of you have already updated. Shout out to 1765 and 1535. You guys have already done a nice update on your front of your mailbox door there. So we can do a similar update. You'll see two options, $279 or $299, based on the size that you need. We'll bring the material, we'll install it for you, we'll remove the old one and dispose of the front door of your current mailbox. So that's one option that we can do for you. If you want it painted like you see on the 1765 one, let us know. We can take care of that as a simple add-on, no problem for you. The second option is if the inside of your mailbox is rusted out and needs a whole new mailbox sleeve. We will take out the old one, the whole rusted mailbox, and we'll put an entire new mailbox. So the entire sleeve with the new front door, whole new package for that section of your mailbox. So that option's $349. As you can see, these prices are very reasonable based on including materials. We'd love to get this project done for you. This is the type of project that some people say, oh, I'll do it on my own. And 2 years later, they still haven't done it. So we're going to knock out a number of these in the neighborhood. We'd love to help you out with yours. All you do to get service and get help with this is just fill out the simple form. So your name, first and last name, mobile number, email, and then which option you think that you would like. And by the way, some of you will ask, do we do other projects? The answer to that is yes. We're happy to discuss if there's something else that you might need help with. We're happy to discuss that too. I grew up in the Atlanta area, right down the road in Dunwoody as well. My parents are members of Dunwoody Country Club. I know John's a member at Dunwoody Country Club right across the street. Graduated from Wesleyan in 2008 and went to SMU in Dallas, Texas. So would love to help you out with this mailbox project and potentially others that you might need help with. So feel free to fill out the form and we'll be in contact with you, either myself or somebody on our team, to get you taken care of. Have a great day.